May I please, my lord?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 31 to 43, my lord. This is a whole analogous matter, my lord.
Yes, what is the matter about?
We have been removed from service on the ground of incorrect certificate of additional qualification, that is B.Ed certificate and D.Lit certificate.
D.Lit.
Yes.
B.Ed.
Diploma in higher secondary
Ah,
certificate.
ah.
Can fix it on Monday, Lordship.
Yes.
I
Lordship.
think we should not keep the matter.
Yes, your lordship.
Only on procedural part we are challenging.
Yes. Okay.
No opportunity has been afforded.
Yes. If it can be listed on Monday, your lordship,
Yes.
coming Monday, your lordship, on the 9th.
On the prayer of Mr. Enangami. Enangami, I'm sorry.
Lordship.
Learned Senior Government Advocate. The matter is listed on 9/7/2024 as a fixed
As a
item.
fixed item.
As a fixed item.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Lord, for
20.
hearing, Lord.
Ah, yes.
Lordship, for the petition in this case,
Yes.
I have some personal difficulties today, Lordship. If your Lordship may kindly accommodate on Thursday, 4th of July, Lordship. On Thursday, Lordship.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. Muajami, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Listed on, what is this date?
4th July, Lordship.
Listed on 4/7/2024. Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg
Yes.
to mention item 27 from the hearing list, Your
Ah.
Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter may kindly be listed after a week, Your Lordship.
Why?
Your Lordship, I had overlooked the matter, Your Lordship, so I'm not prepared today, Your Lordship.
MS Inauli, the Learned Government Advocate seeks adjournment of the case after a week. Prayer is allowed. Listed accordingly.
Much obliged. Your Lordship.
Please, Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23.
20,
23.
23.
Yeah.
Yes.
On the last occasion, we were asked to serve the dusty copy, but to the respondent number 2. However, we are yet to serve the copy. So
Okay, let it come as per the list. We'll see. You will see what was the last order passed. Okay. Yes.
Please, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship,
ma'am.
I beg to mention item 16.
Item 16. Okay,
Kindly grant me 2 weeks to file my affidavit in opposition.
affidavit, you have for respondent
And for the
number,
respondent number 4, private respondent.
whether status file,
No lordship, state has not filed.
who is for the state? Yes, who is for the state?
Lordship, if 2 weeks time can be granted, my lord.
Mr. N. Angami, the Learned Senior Government Advocate, as well as MS so the Learned Counsel for the respondent number
4.
4 are both granted 2 weeks time to file the respective affidavit listed accordingly. This is item 16.
Lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
16, okay.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30 on behalf of Asang Lawali.
Item
30,
13.
30, Lordship.
Yes,
Kindly list this matter after 2 weeks.
why?
She's indisposed, Lordship.
MS so Mr. so Learned Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Asang Lawali, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case on the ground that the Learned Counsel for the petitioner is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship, on behalf of Tepa, Lordship.
yes,
If 3 weeks time may be granted to me, Lordship, I'm yet to receive instructions, Lordship.
let us see, let it come as per the list. Let it come as per the list.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 hearing. Your Lordship, I may bring on behalf of my senior. As my senior is indisposed, I beg that let this matter come after 3 weeks.
who is your senior?
Yeah, Yanrawadi, Your Lordship.
Young or what?
Yes, Lord.
Younger 26.
Yes, Your Lordship.
26, younger what his name is not here.
Lordship is for the Union of India. I am for
Oh,
2, 4, and 5, and he's for the 1,
he is for 1.
Lordship.
Okay, his name is not reflected. Mr. Sensor, Learned Counsel for, Mr. Sensor, Learned Counsel submits that Mr. Yangarwati, the Learned CGC, is indisposed and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed.
True,
Listed
Your Lordship.
listed accordingly. The name of Mr. Yangarwati as the CGC shall be reflected in the daily course list. Okay,
Lordship,
okay.
Your Lordship, similar may be reflected on item number 29.
Item
29, Your Lordship, hearing 29.
Okay, same prayer, item 29.
Obliged, Your Lord.
Please, Your Worship. I beg to mention item number 9 on behalf of my senior.
Let us hear, all hearing matter adjourned. Let us hear, let us take up as per the list.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item 13 and 14.
yes, let us, let it come as per the list,
Lordship.
as per the list, as per the list.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes,
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, my senior couldn't be here today because of some personal difficulties. So I'm standing on his behalf seeking for possible for the day.
on the prayer of Mr. Swenson. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Possible for. Yes.
For motion, item number 2.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, the petitioners are grieved by the decision of the respondent authorities, Lordship.
where is the MP in order?
If you're not a Lordship, page 92. Page 92 and actually 23, Lord. May I read it, Lordship?
Yes.
This is dated 14 June 2024. The government servants who are to be released from the duty on retirement of completion of 35 years of service / on attending 60 years of age in terms of section 3(1) and 3(2) of the Nagaland Retirement from Public Employment Act 2009 and PNAR notification dated 7 August 2009 for the year ending 2024. So, Lordship, there are two incumbents here, Lordship. The petitioner figures as serial number 1. Now, the column shows that the date of joining of government services 5/9/1989. That is the 5th column, Lordship. And the nature of service is regular. On Lordship will also find a column number 7, pensionable. 8, date of release on completion of 35 years of service is 30 September 2024. So it will be effective on 30 September 2024. Date of release of attaining 60 years of age is 2028. So, but since 35 reaches first, whichever is earlier, Lordship. So as per this order, I'll retire on 30 September 2024, Lordship. Now my grounds and Lordship.
What is wrong with this order?
Lordship, there is already an act, Retirement Act 1991.
No, I'm conversant with that.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Now,
Why are you aggrieved with this date of joining and date of retirement?
Lordship, my contention is that the date of joining is the contract service. And she joined on regular basis in the year 1991, Lordship. Now, as per the Act, employment has been defined as well as the pensionable post has been defined. Now, what is pensionable post under section 2(1) of the Act? It says that a nature of employment which gets pension after retirement, Lordship. Now, the state has regularized my service in the year 2021, Lordship. But the effective date is
2021?
2021, Lordship. My
Regularize
service,
your service in the year 2021?
yes, Lordship. My service was confirmed because subsequently I was
Let
appointed.
us see that confirmation order.
Yes, Lordship.
Which page?
Page 56, Lordship. 56, Lordship. Page 56 and actually 11, Lordship.
Page 56.
Yes, Lordship, 56. May I read it, Lordship? This is notification dated 13 September 2021. On completion of 2 years of probation period with satisfactory performance of the officers, the Governor of Nagaland is pleased to order the confirmation of service of the undermentioned officers under the Health and Family Welfare Department, Nagaland, with effect from the date as indicated in Annexure 1. Lordship will find Annexure 1. Next page, Lordship. The petitioner's name features as serial number 8, Lordship. Shrimati so-and-so, designation and posting, and effective date is 4/12/1991, Lordship. 4/12/1991. This is the effective date of confirmation, Lordship. Now, considering this date, I'll retire only in the year 2026, Lordship. That is my contention before the Honorable Court.
Where is the order appointing on contract basis?
Contract basis, Lordship. Page 30, Lordship. 30, Lordship. Lordship will find the typed copy at page 31, Lordship. Page 31, Lordship. This is notification dated 4th September 1989. This date is very important, Lordship. In the interest of public service, the Governor of Nagaland is pleased to appoint the following to the post of draft inspector in the scale of so-and-so, plus compensatory allowances so-and-so, so-and-so. From time to time, with immediate effect and post them to the place as shown against each. This petition is serial number 2, Lordship.
Yes, government advocate. File your affidavit within 1 week. Nothing. You will just have to satisfy this court as to whether the date of retirement should be the date of the contractual appointment or the date of confirmation. That's all, nothing more.
Your Lordship, 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Because the petitioner is retiring
Your Lordship, no, it's in the month of September.
in the month of
So
September.
Your Lordship, 2 weeks time may be granted. And Your Lordship may also turn to the
Nothing much, madam, nothing much. Nothing much. Only two issues. Whether the petitioner should be allowed to retire from the date of the contractual appointment or whether the petitioner should be allowed to retire from the date of the confirmation. That's all. Nothing more. That is, we have to decide as per the law. 2 weeks, we give 2 weeks. Okay? File your affidavit 2 weeks. Okay, we give you 2 weeks. Why you are finding it so difficult? Nothing much to discuss. The government should only take a stand as to whether the petitioner's date of retirement should be counted from the date of the contractual appointment or from the date
Your
of.
Lordship, the OM is already there, Your Lordship. It
So
has-
you file your affidavit, that's why if it is there,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
there are catching up decisions also,
Yes, Your Lordship.
passed by single bench, the division bench. Go through all this, come. We dispose on the next date. Third, Mr. Jamil, the learned counsel for the petitioner. You are presently serving as
Deputy
Mr.
Drug
Ma.
Inspector, Lordship. Deputy Drug Controller, Lordship.
Stop. The petitioner is presently serving as the Deputy Drug Controller in the Department of Health and Family Welfare, Kohima, Nagaland. Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 14/6/2024. Releasing her from service with effect from 39/2024. Under the Nagaland Retirement from Public Employment, within bracket, Second Amendment Act 2009, and the PNR notification number AR-3-174 /174/2007, within bracket PT, dated 7th August 2009. It is the case of the petitioner. That by the notification dated 13 September 2021, he has been confirmed in service, effective from the date of the notification, and therefore the period of retirement should be counted from the date of the confirmation, that is 13/9/2021.
Lordship, sorry for indulgence. The effective date is 4/12/1991, Lordship. Confirmation.
Okay, what was the line? 2-3 lines before that? Just 2-3 lines ahead of that, the last 2-3 lines. Effective from, no, effective from 4/12/1991.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, and therefore, the date of retirement of the petitioner should be counted from 4/12/1991 and not from
4/9/1989.
and not from the date the petitioner was appointed on contract. That is 4/9/1989.
Lordship.
Okay. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable in 2 weeks. You have all the respondents, ma'am?
Yes, Your Lordship, 1, 2, and 3.
MS Inauli appears for all the respondents, and therefore no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall, however, serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate when
In the course of the day, Lordship.
in the course of the day. Okay.
For admission, item number 3.
Please tell him to put the fan in this. It's so hot. Hotel workers. Yes.
May I please, Lordship, the respondents has already processed the case of the petitioner for appointment. We have sought for approval of the government.
What was the order passed? What was the order alleged to have been violated?
That the case of the petitioner has not been considered for appointment on compassionate ground.
Within 2 months.
When was that order passed?
The order is
14 to 2020.
2020.
Yes,
Or
Lordship.
And then the subsequent order was passed on 5/7/2023.
Five-
Two writ petitions were filed.
okay.
First, the initial writ petition was
Let us see
filed.
that 23 order. Which is that? But madam, have you implemented the new incumbent? This T. John Longcomer has since retired.
Yes, I am for the newly implemented respondent number 2, Rubin Sharma.
Oh, newly implemented respondent.
Yes,
Lordship, that has been done.
that is-
Well, by which I am not seeing it.
The newly DGP has been implemented as respondent number 2.
Okay. Where is that order?
Lordship, it was disposed of on 31/3/2023.
Where is that order?
It will be 31/3/2023.
Where is that order? In which page?
But it's not been.
It's not enclosed in the contact.
It's not
division.
enclosed. But IA was disposed on 31/3/2023 in pleading. The new incumbent.
You take steps for bringing the order 23 on record. This is implement also. Just keep it, just keep it. just- Order dated 14/2/2020.
Yes, my lord.
You are alleging non-compliance of this order. What about 23 order?
My lord, what happened was, my lord, this honorable court by order dated 14/2/2020
Ah.
disposed of the writ petition number 21 of 2020 directing the respondents to consider the case of the petitioner for appointment within 2 months.
Yes.
Whatever, my lord, an addendum was issued, there was an addendum was there on 9/4/2019, and basing on addendum, a unity list of commissioned applicants were published,
Ah.
wherein the name of this petitioner was figured at seal number 66.
Okay.
To being aggrieved, again, the petitioner filed WBC 115 of 2022.
Ah.
And then the WBC number 115 of 2022 was disposed of by order dated 5/7/2023,
Ah.
setting aside the list where the
Ah.
name of the petitioner was figured as serial number 66,
Ah.
and directed to consider the case of the petitioner for appointment on commissioner ground within 4 months.
Madam, I think that has to be a part of the annexure. That has to be a part of the record.
And then subsequently, what happened, my lord?
Because if what I've understood, if it is correct, then 14/2/2020 has been complied,
Yes.
has been complied. So this contempt petition no longer survives. A fresh cause of action has arisen. Go through the records. We'll list it next week. Go through the records and come, because you have subsequent order 23. Okay,
My lord, and then I placed the letter to the letters
just next week, let her come,
that can be kept on record.
let her come under instructions. Which are the letters? Which are the letters
Yes.
for June?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, and
And then there's a list where the
then
petitioner is
this,
applicants-
what is this contempt COP 17?
there similar case where the as per the list, my lord, I will explain it next
Okay,
week, my lord.
okay. Madam, you get instructions and come next week. I think this matter no longer survives. And you have a fresh cause of action in view of the order passed in the year 23. MS Rajjakali shall come with proper instructions on the next date fixed. Listed on, ma'am,
Lordship, at my lordship convenience.
we're giving you a week, okay? Listed on 9th, 9/7,
Lordship.
9/7/2024. Just see whether this petition survives or not.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
For admission, item number 4. May I please, my lord?
Yes, Mr. Anangami.
Lordship, the petitioner herein are seeking regularizations of his service, your lordship. Now, your lordship is well aware that this government, the state government has issued an office memorandum 17/3/2015, wherein regularizations of work charge employees who are enjoying the scale of pay and who have completed or will be completing 30 years of service can be regularized as per this office memorandum. Now, your lordship, taking this office memorandum into consideration, your lordship, the department has have already taken step, your lordship.
For
I have-
considering the case of
Yes,
petitioner.
yes, your
Very
lordship. In fact, your lordship, I have already placed those things on record.
Mr. Subom,
Yes, Lordship.
yes, are you satisfied with the submission?
Yes, Lordship, but I have a submission to be made. to
Half
Lordship.
satisfied.
Yes, Lordship.
So what is that?
Your Lordship, the
Verification.
petitioner, he was submitted on sanction post, Your Lordship. Sanction post.
Ah,
So I'm seeking for regulation as per the Uma Devi's judgment, Your Lordship.
ah.
So the effectivity for regulation, Your Lordship, it should be from the day Uma Devi judgment was passed, Your Lordship. That's
No,
my-
Uma Devi's case is there, but still Nagaland government has actually like a frame scheme for regularization of work charge employees.
Yes, Lordship.
So that cannot be overlooked.
I am a contingency
You-
employee.
You are a contingency employee.
Yes, Lordship.
You are getting a regular scale of pay
Yes, Lordship.
from the date you were appointed
No,
on
Lordship.
contingency basis.
From 2018 only, I was granted scale of pay, Your Lordship. That also after approaching this court, as per the court's order direction, Your Lordship.
From 2018, you were granted scale of pay.
Yes, Lordship.
You wait for the mercy of the government.
Yes, Lord.
If the government is willing to consider you, let us at least give some.
Lordship.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Anangami,
Lordship.
this is the verification.
Yes, your lordship, as per this office
And where
memorandum,
is the consideration of the petitioner?
lordship, after the verification, DLVC, there is a district level verification committee. After this is done, this will be subsequently sent to the finance as well as the PNR department for their approval. That is exactly what the office memorandum speaks about. Your lordship is well aware of that. So your lordship, now the DLVC, the district level verification committee has already submitted its report, verifying, your lordship, the name of the petitioner. Your lordship will find that the verification report, which was forwarded to the director by the assistant director, Mokokchung branch, your lordship, at page number 3 of the report that I have submitted, my lord.
This.
Yes, my lord.
Page number
3. Yes,
to the director forwarding of verification report.
yes, my lord.
So this is only the forwarding letter.
Yes. Now, this has been placed before the PNR, your lordship.
Verification report of the,
Yeah,
what do you call district level?
verification committee report,
DLVC, district level
verification
verification
committee report.
committee report.
Yes, my lord.
So this,
Now, on the next page, your lordship, the district level verification committee report has been sent to the government by the director, printing and stationery, your lordship. And it has been subsequently placed before the PNR department, your lordship, for necessary approval.
so the approval is awaited.
Yes, your lordship. It will be sent to the PNR approval for PNR approval. Then thereafter, your lordship, the cabinet, last the cabinet, your
What
lordship.
about the finance concurrence?
Yes, your lordship, PNR, finance, and then cabinet, my lord.
It has not been sent.
PNR, it has already been sent, I'm told, my lord. As per the lordship conditions prescribed in the office memorandum,
Yes, Mr. Sabong, if you are relying on Uma Devi's case, that case will not support you.
Yes, Lordship, since the state council for the state has submitted document, your
You
Lordship,
take that line. You take that line.
Yes.
Don't take Uma Devi. Don't
Saying
take
that-
Uma Devi.
they will take.
Uma Devi may not help you.
Yes, Lordship. So in that time, your Lordship, in my petition, I've included one annexure, your Lordship, which is similar to the petitioner, your Lordship,
Ah.
who were appointed in the same division. And then the particular person was also regularized, your Lordship.
By adopting the same.
Yes,
process.
Lordship.
Okay.
So if the petition may be closed of keeping records, your Lordship, by granting sufficient time, your Lordship.
We will not close the case.
Yes, Lordship.
The government may not satisfy you.
No, no, Your Lordship, we are actually following the office memorandum, the procedures that are prescribed therein, Your Lordship. Your Lordship is well aware, however, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship can kindly go to page 29 of the writ petition wherein the conditions is there. Now, after this DLVC report is
Page
prepared,
29.
page 29 of the writ, my lord.
See, Mr. Enangami,
Lordship.
you are going out of the way of the policy decision of the government to accommodate the petitioner.
Correct.
So let me not confine myself to this. If you take me to this, maybe you are actually like keeping your fit
I understand.
this
my
way
lord.
as well as that way.
I understand, my lord.
Okay.
Lordship.
So if you go by this government policy,
Lordship.
it is not supporting the case of the petitioner. But you are going out of the way to help him.
Correct, my lord. Correct, my lord.
So take the step to the logical end,
Lordship.
okay?
Lordship.
Okay. Your petition has been filed for? You want disposal? You want disposal on the basis of this?
Your Lordship, if the states are ready to comply, your Lordship.
Yes.
No, we don't know. That is contingent. We don't know whether they will comply or not.
No, your lordship, in order to comply, we have already sent it to the PNR department for their approval.
Okay. So with disposal,
Yes, my lord. it can be
giving a
disposed.
direction
Yes.
to
and-
consider the report of the DLV,
Yes.
DLVB
Yes,
as
DLVC,
expeditiously as possible.
giving us sufficient time, my lord, because
We'll give you 6 weeks time.
lordship, because it will be subject to the approval of the cabinet as well.
Ah,
So at least if 4 months time can be granted to us, my lord.
Okay, ma'am, we dispose this in the chamber.
Obliged, Lord.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
Yes.
For admission, item numbers 5 and 6.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, my senior is indisposed today, so.
Your senior young or what? You?
No, empty long child. Lordship.
Oh,
So kindly, it's my prayer that it may come up after a week.
okay. Even otherwise, CGSE is absent. no?
Yes, Lord, it is indisposed.
Okay. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that the matter may be listed after a week. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship.
Obliged, Lord.
For admission, item number 7.
God bless your Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
I
Subramanian.
may be come 3 weeks time, your Lordship. The respondents, your Lordship, some of them has been retired, your Lordship. So for that, I need to file an I.
Okay. Madam, you are appearing for all the respondents?
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Subramanian, learned counsel for the petitioner. 6 for some time to implead the new incumbents in the case. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks. MS V. Sokri, the learned additional AG, appears for all the respondents.
Much better.
Obliged, Lord.
For admission, item number 8.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? I'd like to mention on behalf of the Lordship.
Yes, what is your prayer?
Lordship, may kindly permit to stand, Lordship, to file my affidavit.
For the other respondents,
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of YP Gupta for respondent number 1 to 5.
have you filed your
No, Lordship.
1 to 5?
Yes, Lordship.
You were appearing for, ma'am, 6, 7?
6 and 7, Lordship.
Okay. 1 to 5.
Yes, Lordship.
The learned counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2. 1 to 5, I'm sorry, 1 to 5. As well as the learned government advocate are allowed 3 weeks' time to file the respective affidavit. Listed after 3 weeks. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Yes, Lordship.
For admission, item number 9.
Yes, what is this IA, Mr. V. Jamomi?
Lordship, this is.
IA. What is this IA for? To stay suspend all development works relating to the establishment of petroleum outlet. Any stay has been granted?
Lordship.
Stays there.
Lordship,
Okay.
stay there.
So you have not filed your affidavit.
No, Lordship.
You are appearing for the respondent number
1 to 7.
1 to 7. What about 8, 9, 10?
9, 10.
Has notice been served? 8,
Lordship,
9,
in fact, they have also appeared, Lordship.
8, 9, 10.
8, 9, 10.
Yes.
Lordship.
This is item?
Item 9.
Item 9. CD Ronson, Desino. Okay. Okay. Mr. B. Jamomi, learned government advocate. Appears on behalf of respondent number
1 to 7.
1 to 7. And 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Where is it? None appears for the respondent number 8, 9, and 10. Okay.
For admission, item number 10.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
my senior is indisposed. If this
Who is
matter-
your senior?
Tombok Ponganan.
Don't talk on it.
If this matter can come up after a week.
What is the matter? Yes,
Late Lordship.
madam. Leonora.
Lordship.
Okay. Have you filed your affidavit? Your correspondent?
Five.
Five.
Yes.
And status file? Status file. Okay. Mr. Swenso, learned counsel, seeks adjournment of the case for a week on the ground that Mr. Tongpok, the counsel leading the case for the petitioner, is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed after a week.
For admission, item number 11.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here the petitioner is seeking a non-release of payment for the period that she worked. And by this letter, the department has decided to release the salary the government is. So
You
this
show
may
her
be-
also? You
I've
show her?
already given you.
Are you
Lordship.
satisfied?
Yes, my lord.
Are you satisfied?
I'm satisfied.
Your Lordship,
And
my-
are you unconditionally writing this letter
Your
to
Lordship,
pay the salary?
yes, Your Lordship, my only submission is that 3 months time may be granted. to
Okay, if
take-
you are willing to pay, we will be generous, but at least you should. From 1/4/2022 to 31/3/2023,
Yes, my lord.
correct? This was your main prayer in
Yes,
the
my
writ
lord.
petition
Yes,
Yes, my lord.
for release of the pending salary?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, and MS Inaholi Wotsa, the learned government advocate for the state respondents. MS, stop, you para. Inaholi Wotsa has placed a copy of the letter dated 21/6/2024 issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department. In which it has been stated that the salary of the petitioner will be released for the period she had worked. That is from 1/4/2022 to 31/3/2023. Stop. Mr. Swenso, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in view of the letter dated 21/6/2024 placed by the learned counsel for the petitioner, the writ petition may be closed with a direction to the state respondents to pay the pending salary within a specified period of time. Okay? So. In view, stop, new para, in view of the letter dated 21/6/2024, placed by the learned government advocate, and after hearing the submissions of the learned counsel for the parties, the read petition stands closed with a direction to the respondent. Which respondent?
Number
To the state respondents, okay? To the state respondents, okay? To release the error salary of the petitioner for the period she has worked. That is from 1/4/2022 to 31/3/2023 within a period of,
3 months, Your Lordship.
within a period, okay? Within a period of 3 months from today. Stop. Writ petition disposed.
Much less.
Stop. The copy of the letter dated 21/6/2024 shall be kept in record.
Much less.
Bless my Lord.
For admission, item number 12.
Request, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
The petition is for the appointment on commissioning, commissioning ground, Your Lordship.
You have a scheme.
Yes, Lordship. Your Lordship, if I may, Your Lordship, in the affidavit and posting, Your Lordship, the state respondents have filed that the petitioner has been found to be eligible for appointment as per the scheme. But in Your Lordship, my term will be considered only when my turn comes in, then my serial is serial number 4, Your Lordship, as per the record placed by the state respondents. So if it may be disposed of to consider as per the OM in terms of whenever
Where
my
is
turn
that,
comes.
where is that OM? Where is that OM?
OM, I place it annexure at page 20.
Of the petition?
Yes, Lordship.
Of the petition? 20. This is a 17/9/2015.
Yes, Lordship. And the petitioner is the son of the deceased.
Where's the government affidavit? Where's the government affidavit stating that you are eligible to be appointed as per the scheme?
Your Lordship, in your page 7 annexure P of your
Page,
7, did hit to Pashi submit a verification report?
no. Where is that agreement made in the affidavit?
Paragraph 4, Your Lordship.
Paragraph 4.
Relevant part, Your Lordship, page 3, second paragraph.
It is also to mention,
Yes, Lordship.
starting from that.
Yes, Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship?
Ah,
It is also to mention herein that the applicant details are entered in the roster register, record of all applicants list, applications received for compassionate appointment under the establishment of Deputy Commissioner Mokokchung. Moreover, the appointments on compassionate ground are done process serial wise, first thesis, first process appointed. Presently, there are 3 pending applications for completion appointment under the establishment of Deputy Commissioner Mokokchung, and the petitioner in the instant case, Sharia Kamtushi, is its serial number 4 in the roster register. Therefore, the case of the petitioner can be considered for appointment on completion ground as when his turn comes, there does not arise that his request for appointment can be considered before other eligible applicants ahead of him in serial in the roster register are exhausted.
Let us read that, this scheme.
Yes, Lord.
Spouse or son, you are the son,
Yes, Lord.
you are the son. So you are eligible as per this OM.
Yes, Lord.
So we'll close the case to consider your cases and when your turn comes.
Yes, Lord.
Okay, take down the names, Sasi. Take down the names. Names, okay? We'll pass the order in the chamber. Take down the names.
Obliged, Lord.
For admission, item numbers 13 and 14.
May I have his lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, can we grant me 2 weeks time to find a reply?
Okay. You're for the petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner, lordship,
Petitioner.
in both the matters.
Mr. MT,
Yes.
what is the case about?
Regarding the promotion,
Handloom handicraft.
yes.
Lordship.
Is it a government institution?
No, no, it's a private, it's a company.
It's a autonomous.
Yes, autonomous.
Okay. Okay, you are appearing as an engaged counsel in this.
Yes. 1 and 2.
Okay. So we give them time. Okay. Mr. Fuseko, the learned counsel for the petitioner, is allowed to file reply affidavit
Lordship.
listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged, madam.
For admission, item number 15.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm making a prayer on behalf of AIME. She's appearing for the state and here she's here to file counter. So kindly grant 3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. MS Inahuli. Okay. Learned counsel. Makes a mention on behalf of MSAIME, the learned government advocate. And 6 for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. Prayer is allowed. Listed accordingly. Yes, you are for?
Respondent number
Respondent number?
4.
You file your affidavit? Yes. Okay.
For admission, item number 17.
May I please, my lord?
Yes, Mr. Yanagami.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm yet to file my counter affidavit.
Yes.
If 3 weeks time can kindly be granted, my lord.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, the Ashoka's notice has been issued to the petitioner for termination of his service. So they are here before this court challenging that,
Okay.
and there is a stay order to that, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Yanagami. The learned senior government advocate is allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Your Lordship, the interim message continue.
The interim, stop, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
For orders, item number 18.
Your Lordship, we've taken steps upon respondent 9. We've taken steps through Dusty. So kindly grant us 2 weeks time to file our affidavit regarding the same.
Okay. Upon respondent number, ma'am?
Respondent 9.
9. You're for?
I'm for the state respondent.
State. And you for?
Respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3. MS Swenson. Heard MS Swenson, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Momi, the learned government advocate for the respondent number.
Respondent 428, Your Lordship.
Respondent number
428.
428. And Mr. Swenson.
Lordship, I pray that my senior name, Mr. Sinjanga's name may be reflected in the order.
He is not here. And Mr. Swenson appears on behalf of
Money.
Mr. Suntiama, the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2. MS Swenson, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that steps have been taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 9
Dusty service.
by only Dusty,
Yes, no, we have taken regular notice also, but we were ordered to take. Service.
by Dusty process. And therefore the learned counsel submits that she may be allowed to file affidavit to that effect. Prayer is allowed, listed up to 2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
For orders, item numbers 19 to 21.
19 to 21.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I just received the affidavit in opposition in regard to contempt petition. So if Your Lord can kindly.
Contempt,
Yeah.
yes, contempt. Contempt petition 6.
Yes, Your
Lordship,
Lordship.
Whose affidavit?
Lordship,
Respondent.
yes, I filed.
Respondent
my
number?
affidavit. The sole respondent in contempt petition, Lordship.
Oh, sole respondent?
Yes, I filed my affidavit, Lordship. So let this
Okay.
matter be listed after a week for hearing, Lordship, for contempt. Lordship, and for the writ petition, this is a different issue. So that this writ petition may be listed
What
separately.
is your prayer, madam?
Grant me 2 weeks time, Your Lordship, to go through this affidavit.
Okay. MS Swenson, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner, correct? Petitioner,
Your Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Submits that she may be allowed 2 weeks time to file reply affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the sole respondent in contempt case number 6/2024. Prayer is allowed, listed up to 2 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
As far as item number 19 and 20 is concerned,
Yes.
they are appearing for responding.
Lordship, I have the instruction, but I am yet to file the authorization here in item number 19 and 20 in writ petition. Lordship, here, the contempt and the writ petitions are a separate issue, Lordship, so this writ petition may be listed
Let us
separately.
see, let us see when the matter comes up. Mr., what is your name?
The Blue Marshal, Lordship.
So and so. Learned counsel submits that. He has been engaged to represent
Respondent number 2. in
the
writ
respondent number
petition,
2,
Lordship.
just wait, in WPC
266.
266/2023 and WPC 234/2023.
Lordship.
He therefore seeks for 2 weeks time to file power as well as affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Marshal, Lordship.
Prayer is allowed.
For orders, item number 22.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, we have, I am for respondent number 1 to 4, Lordship. Here, I'm yet to receive instruction, Lordship. So if Lordship may please grant another 3 weeks time.
1 to 4.
1 to 4.
What about respondent 6?
Respondent 6, that's.
Who is 6?
Respondent number 6 is.
Respondent 6 is the one who gave my client petitioner the NOC.
Have you effected service on respondent number 5 and 6?
Lordship, yes. We have served him custody.
Have you filed affidavit stating service of notice?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is your affidavit? Affidavit declaring
For custody
effective.
service, Lordship.
Perform respondent number 6. Heard, Mr. So-and-so.
Lordship, my client is under lots of pressure because of all
Learned
the
counsel
debt.
for the petitioner
Can you maybe give it to us?
and Mr. Vijimomi, the learned government advocate for the state respondent. Number 1, 2,
1 to
10.
4, Lordship. However, here, Lordship, the main respondent would be respondent number 5. Because if you go to the letter, Lordship, now the scheme has already been delayed. Lordship.
Stop. In terms of the order dated 4/4/2024 passed by this court. The petitioner has taken steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 and has filed affidavit to that effect. Stop. The notice upon respondent number 6 is therefore deemed served. Mr. Vijimomi. The learned government advocate is allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. Stop. None appears for the respondent number 5. Stop. It is made clear that if on the next date fixed, the respondent number 5 is unrepresented, is not represented, necessary orders shall be passed against the said respondents. Listed after 3 weeks. Okay. Yes.
For orders, item number 23.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
On the last occasion, I was allowed to serve notice upon respondent number 2 by Dusty Service. However, I'm yet to serve the copy, my lord. Your Lordship, may you please release this matter after 3 weeks in a course, I will serve the notice.
You are not interested? We'll dismiss your petition.
No, my lord.
If you are
Actually,
not interested to serve the notice,
no, my lord. Actually, my senior is out of station.
so what? Does it require the assistance of your senior to actually serve notice? But Mr. Sonso,
JNU
learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. Kyangam, learned public prosecutor for the respondent number,
One more.
respondent number 1. By the order dated 2/5/2024. The petitioner was directed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post with AD within a by the order dated 31/5/2024. By the order dated 31/5/2024, the learned counsel for the petitioner was allowed to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by dusty process within a week's time and to file affidavit to that effect. Stop. Today, when the matter is listed, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he may be further granted some time to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by dusty process as ordered by this court on 31/5/2024. Prayer is allowed. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by dusty process within a period of 7 days from today and file affidavit to that effect. Stop. It is made clear that if no step is taken for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 as ordered by this court today, necessary orders shall be passed against the petitioner. Listed after 3 weeks.
Machuble.
For orders, item number 24.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, on behalf of Sir Pravir Chaudhary, Lordship, I've been informed that service upon respondent 2 has been sent on 11th June.
Service of notice issued, return service awaited. Return service awaited.
Lordship, then it may be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Mr. M.S. Swenso, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who is for the respondent?
Lordship, I was told that for respondent 1, it's Tushi O Longkamer, but I believe he's not filed his power yet.
This is item number
24, Lordship.
What about respondent number 1? Have you taken steps?
Yes, I was told that Tushi O Longkamer is representing respondent number 1, but his name is not in the cause list, so I'm not sure if Vakalat has been filed.
Mr. M.S. Swenso, learned counsel for the petitioner. Correct.
Lordship, I'm not for the petitioner. I'm not in this case, Lordship.
Okay, M.S. Swenso appears and makes a mention on behalf of Mr.
Pravir Chaudhary.
Mr. P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Office note dated 27/6/2024 shows that return service report in respect of respondent number 2 is awaited. None appears. Stop. None appears for the respondent number 1. Listed after 3 weeks.
For orders, item number 25.
Lordship, here also we have served notice to respondent 9 to 11 through registered post on 31st May.
Mr. KV, you are appearing here.
My colleague, Ms. Bichanon, probably she has overlooked, I think.
I hope she has not overlooked her lunch.
She was just here.
This is So many respondents. Respondent
Yes.
9 to 11.
Yes, 9 and 10 are the same person, but
9,
Yes.
10, 11. What about the others? All government?
yes, Lordship, 1 to 8 is all government.
Heard MS so and so. You are the counsel for the petitioner.
Petitioner, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Kiangami, learned government advocate, learned senior government advocate, appearing for MS
Bichano.
Pichano. Office note dated 2024 shows that return service report in respect of respondent number 9, 10, and 11 is awaited. Stop. Awaiting return service report listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Roy, please.
Please.